Hello guys, welcome to the grade 6 math, and this video is going to talk about algebra with word problems. So the problem is Sandy sold 4 times as many oranges as apples. She sold a total of 70 apples and oranges. So that's the total. And then the question is, how many apples did Sandy sell? Remember, the apples are less than the oranges because it says oranges are 4 times as many than apples. So we are going to use A as a variable for apples. 70 total means 4 of the units there are oranges and 1 of them is apples. So when we divide it by 5, we'll be able to find A. So I'm gonna put A equals 70 over 5. And when we solve that, it is 14. 70 divided by 5. So Sandy sold 14 apples. And that's the correct answer. So here the video ends, and we will work on different things and different math problems, not just math, it's English and science, history, and Filipino. So stay tuned, and we're going to talk about fractions next.